Mercedes engines are built to last, yet most owners destroy them by 120,000 miles. Today, I'm revealing 17 proven maintenance habits that separate Mercedes engines that fail early from those that run 300,000 plus miles. Stay until the end, because the final habit prevents one of the most expensive Mercedes failures owners never see coming. Number 17. Consider shorter oil change intervals. Many Mercedes specialists recommend 5,000 to 7,500 mile oil changes for high-mileage vehicles or severe use conditions, though factory intervals work well with quality synthetic oil and proper monitoring through the ASIS system. Modern Mercedes engines like the M274, M276, and OM651 operate at high temperatures that can stress oil over extended intervals. Shorter intervals provide additional protection for turbocharger bearings and timing components that are expensive to replace when they fail prematurely. The additional oil changes cost approximately $300 per year, but provide insurance against premature component wear that can cost thousands to repair. Number 16. Use only OEM oil filters. Mercedes engines often require specific fleece oil filters, not standard paper filters, to handle the engine's oil flow and filtration requirements properly. Generic filters can lead to inadequate filtration and potential engine wear over time. The fleece oil filter design provides superior filtration efficiency compared to conventional paper elements while maintaining proper oil pressure throughout the lubrication system. The $20 cost difference per change provides better protection for precision engine components. Independent Mercedes specialists consistently report seeing cleaner oil and less internal engine wear in vehicles that use OEM filters exclusively throughout their service life. Number 15. Service transmission fluid regularly. Service transmission fluid every 60,000 miles, as recommended for heavy use, despite sealed for life claims on some models. Clean fluid is essential for complex 7G-tronic and 9G-tronic valve bodies to function properly over time. According to independent transmission specialists, transmission fluid breaks down from heat and contamination over time. Regular fluid changes significantly extend transmission life and prevent the expensive failures that occur when fluid becomes contaminated and acidic. The service costs approximately $400, but prevents transmission rebuilds that can cost $6,000 to $8,000 when internal components are damaged by degraded fluid. Number 14. Change brake fluid annually. Brake fluid absorbs water from the atmosphere over time, causing internal corrosion in ABS pumps and brake calipers. Annual brake fluid changes prevent moisture-related damage to expensive electronic brake components. Mercedes brake systems use complex ABS pumps and stability control modules that are sensitive to water contamination. The $150 annual service prevents the corrosion that destroys expensive electronic components and maintains proper brake system function. Water contamination is particularly problematic in humid climates where moisture absorption accelerates, making annual service even more critical for long-term brake system reliability. Number 13. Perform coolant system service. Flush the entire cooling system and replace Mercedes-specified coolant every 3 years to prevent internal corrosion. Check the coolant level sensor regularly, as failure prevents overheating warnings that protect the engine. Mercedes cooling systems use aluminum components that require specific anti-corrosion additives for protection. When coolant loses its protective properties, it can attack aluminum components from the inside, leading to expensive cooling system repairs. The coolant level sensor is particularly important because it provides the only warning before catastrophic overheating occurs, and sensor failure leaves owners vulnerable to sudden engine damage without any advance notice. Number 12. Address thermostat issues proactively. Mercedes uses electronic thermostats that commonly fail around 80,000 to 120,000 miles, particularly in M272 and M273 engines. Consider proactive replacement when symptoms appear to prevent overheating damage. According to Mercedes technical bulletins, thermostat housing failures are common on these engines where plastic components crack and leak coolant. Early replacement prevents the sudden failures that can cause catastrophic overheating damage to the engine. The electronic thermostat system adds complexity compared to simple mechanical units, but this sophistication comes at the cost of increased failure rates and higher replacement costs when problems develop. Number 11. Monitor M272 intake manifold. On M272 V6 engines, plastic manifold runner flaps are prone to breaking, indicated by error codes P2004 to P2006. Address this common issue proactively before plastic pieces potentially fall into the engine. The intake manifold uses plastic flaps that become brittle over time and can break without warning. Many Mercedes specialists recommend proactive replacement as this is a well-known failure point that affects a significant percentage of these engines. The plastic construction was a cost-saving measure that proved inadequate for the heat and stress of long-term engine operation, making this failure almost inevitable on high-mileage examples. Number 10. Replace belt system components. The serpentine belt system, including idler pulleys and tensioners, should be replaced as a unit around 100,000 miles. Pulley bearing failure can destroy the belt and stop critical accessories like the water pump and alternator. Mercedes engines use multiple pulleys that contain bearings prone to failure from heat and contamination. Preventive replacement of the entire belt system prevents the cascading failures that occur when individual components fail unexpectedly. A single pulley bearing failure can strand you immediately and cause expensive damage to multiple accessories, making preventive replacement far more economical than emergency roadside repairs. Number 9. Install camshaft magnet pigtails. On M272 and M273 engines, camshaft adjuster magnets can leak oil through electrical connectors. Installing factory pigtail connectors prevents oil migration that can damage expensive ECU and wiring harness components. The camshaft position sensors use seals that can fail over time, allowing oil to enter electrical connectors and travel up wiring harnesses. Pigtail connectors act as a barrier that prevents oil from reaching expensive electronic components. This is a known weakness in these engines, where oil can wick up the wiring harness by capillary action, eventually reaching and destroying the engine control unit that costs thousands to replace. Number 8. Replace engine mounts when worn. Mercedes uses fluid-filled motor mounts that wear out over time, causing excessive vibration and engine movement. Replace worn mounts promptly to protect the transmission and drive shaft from additional stress. Failed engine mounts allow excessive engine movement that can damage other drivetrain components and create harsh vibrations. Prompt replacement prevents the cascading damage that occurs when engine movement stresses precision drivetrain parts. The fluid-filled design provides excellent vibration isolation when new, but once the internal fluid leaks out, the mounts become solid and transmit harsh vibrations throughout the vehicle while allowing damaging engine movement. Number 7. Practice proper cold start procedure. Allow Mercedes engines to idle for 60 seconds before driving to ensure oil circulation to complex timing components. Cold oil takes time to reach critical components like camshaft adjusters and timing chain tensioners. Modern Mercedes engines have tight tolerances and sophisticated timing systems that require full oil circulation before operating under load. Proper warm-up procedures help prevent premature wear of expensive timing system components. The camshaft adjusters are particularly sensitive to oil starvation during cold starts, and inadequate lubrication can cause these expensive components to fail prematurely, requiring major engine repairs. Number 6. Use smooth driving techniques. Avoid aggressive acceleration and braking that stresses high-performance seals, suspension components, and engine bearings. Gentle driving significantly reduces stress on precision components and extends their service life. Mercedes vehicles use sophisticated systems designed for smooth operation, and aggressive driving creates shock loads that can exceed design limits. Smooth operation keeps stress levels within design parameters for maximum component longevity. The high-performance nature of Mercedes engineering means components are designed for specific stress levels, and exceeding these limits through aggressive driving can cause premature failure of expensive precision parts throughout the vehicle. Number 5. Maintain sunroof drains. Clean sunroof drains annually to prevent interior water damage that destroys expensive electronic modules. Clogged drains cause water overflow that can damage SAM units and other components located under carpets. Mercedes sunroofs use drain tubes that become clogged with debris over time, causing water to overflow into the interior. The simple preventive maintenance prevents water damage that can create some of the most expensive repair bills in Mercedes ownership. The SAM units and other electronic modules are located in areas where water damage isn't immediately obvious, so by the time problems are discovered, extensive and expensive damage has already occurred to multiple systems. Number 4. Use quality premium fuel. Use premium 91 plus octane gasoline from top-tier certified brands to prevent carbon buildup and injector problems. High-pressure direct injection systems require quality fuel to maintain proper performance and prevent expensive cleaning services. Mercedes direct injection engines operate at high pressures that require specific fuel quality standards. Top-tier certified fuels contain additional detergents that keep injectors clean and prevent carbon buildup on intake valves. The direct injection system sprays fuel at extremely high pressures that can clog easily with poor quality fuel, and the cleaning services required to restore proper function can cost $600 to $1,000 when carbon buildup becomes severe. Number 3. Address warning lights immediately. Never ignore the check engine light, as it often indicates impending failures that can cascade into more serious issues. Early intervention, when warning lights appear, prevents expensive component damage. Mercedes engine management systems provide early warning of component failures before catastrophic damage occurs. Immediate diagnostic attention prevents small problems from becoming major, expensive repairs that could have been avoided. The sophisticated diagnostic systems in Mercedes vehicles are designed to detect problems in their early stages, but ignoring these warnings allows minor issues to progress into major failures that can cost thousands more to repair. Number 2. Exercise air suspension systems. If equipped with airmatic suspension, raise and lower the ride height weekly to keep components active. Regular operation prevents seals from drying out and components from seizing due to inactivity. Airmatic systems use complex components that require regular operation to maintain proper function. Weekly exercise keeps the air compressor and level sensors functioning properly and prevents the expensive failures that occur when systems sit inactive. The air springs and electronic components are designed for regular use, and extended periods of inactivity can cause seals to dry out and internal components to corrode, leading to expensive system rebuilds. Number 1. Code battery replacements properly. When replacing the battery, register the new battery with the ECU using proper diagnostic equipment. Failing to code the battery can lead to charging issues that damage the new battery and create electrical problems. Mercedes vehicles use sophisticated battery management systems that require proper initialization when batteries are replaced. Proper coding ensures optimal charging parameters and prevents voltage fluctuations that can damage sensitive electronic components. The battery management system monitors battery condition and adjusts charging accordingly, but without proper coding, the system continues using parameters for the old battery, which can overcharge or undercharge the new battery and create electrical problems throughout the vehicle. The one thing that will destroy your Mercedes engine. We already mentioned warning lights, but now more specifically, never ignore the check engine light. This single mistake destroys more Mercedes engines than any other owner error. The check engine light in a Mercedes isn't just a suggestion, it's an urgent warning that requires immediate attention. Mercedes engine management systems are sophisticated and provide early detection of problems before they become catastrophic. When that light appears, it's often warning about a failing thermostat, oxygen sensor, or fuel system component that will quickly cascade into major engine damage if ignored. A failing thermostat can cause overheating that warps cylinder heads and destroys the engine block. A bad oxygen sensor makes the engine run rich, destroying the expensive catalytic converter and potentially damaging internal engine components. Fuel system problems can cause misfires that damage pistons and valves. According to Mercedes specialists, owners who ignore the check engine light face repair bills that are 5 to 10 times higher than those who address problems immediately. What starts as a $200 sensor replacement becomes an $8,000 engine rebuild when ignored. The light exists specifically to prevent catastrophic damage. Mercedes engineering provides this early warning system to save your engine, but only if you act on it immediately. Ignoring it is the fastest way to turn a minor repair into a financial disaster. These 17 recommended habits represent common specialist advice for extending Mercedes longevity and preventing expensive failures. The maintenance techniques and proper operation methods help prevent the costly repairs that commonly affect neglected vehicles. Remember, consistent maintenance using these techniques can significantly extend your Mercedes service life while avoiding many expensive repairs. These habits reflect widely recommended practices among specialists who understand Mercedes engineering requirements. Treat your Mercedes with the care it deserves, and proper maintenance will reward you with years of reliable service that justifies the investment in quality German engineering. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.